It's my party and you're invited. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Whether you love it or hate it, Valentine's Day happens to be my birthday, so join us for a few drinks. We have bubbly libations and decadent dip as I celebrate my Valentine birthday. I promised you a few drinks, so let's have one now. I call this one the Funny Valentine. To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of blanco tequila. I'm using Sangre de Vida edition Corazon, which happens to be in the shape of a heart. 1/2 ounce pear liqueur, 1/4 ounce fresh lemon juice, and 4 dashes of cherry bitters. Shake with ice, strain into a champagne flute, fill with chilled prosecco, and stir gently. Happy birthday indeed! This easy crab dip is perfect for when you want a special appetizer but don't want to do a lot of work. All you do is combine 2 cups of lump crab meat, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 ounce blanco tequila, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, and as much cayenne pepper as you like. Refrigerate until party time and serve on top of anything your heart desires. You find a lot of backlash against Valentine's Day because some say it's exclusionary. I say it's a great day to celebrate love in all its forms, including for yourself. So be sure to do something nice for yourself tomorrow. You deserve it. Happy Valentine's Day and happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. And thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to follow our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon.